Take a look at this home before we got started. The old roof was worn out, showing signs of aging and damage. A roof like this isn't just about looks. It can cause leaks, higher energy bills, and even structural issues over time. For this project, we carefully selected high-quality materials to ensure durability and a clean, professional finish. Our team always makes sure the right materials are on site before starting any job. Once everything was prepped, we got to work. Here you can see the materials ready to go on the roof. Proper installation is key to a long-lasting roof, and we take every step seriously to deliver top-notch results. Roofing isn't just about replacing shingles, it's about ensuring a solid foundation, proper ventilation, and a weatherproof seal to protect your home for years to come. And here's the finished product. A brand new, beautifully installed roof that not only enhances the home's curb appeal but also adds long-term value and protection. Another successful roofing project completed. If you're thinking about replacing your roof, give us a call. Whether it's storm damage or just time for an upgrade, Home Restoration Experts, Inc. is here to help. Call us today at 877-813-9737 for a free estimate.